Some of the most intelligent people never build remarkable lives. They understand more than others, see patterns early, and have ideas most people never reach. And yet, they stall, not because they lack talent, but because talent alone is never enough. Intelligent people often believe they are moving forward. They plan, analyze, and prepare. Thinking feels productive. Planning feels like progress. But progress without action is only movement in the mind. Nearly 2,000 years ago, Marcus Aurelius observed something uncomfortable. Knowing what is right is useless if action does not follow. Clarity without execution builds nothing. Intelligent minds are excellent at analysis, but analysis can quietly turn into avoidance. Overthinking feels responsible. Delay feels justified. Action, however, is revealing. Because once you act, results appear, and results remove excuses. Many talented people fear commitment. Commitment removes comfort and exposes reality. Potential feels safe, but execution is honest. Marcus understood that people avoid action not because it is difficult, but because it reveals who they truly are. Marcus believed character mattered more than capability. Talent debates. Discipline decides. Intelligence explains. Discipline executes. This is why disciplined people with average talent often surpass brilliant people without structure. Life is not infinite. Every delayed day has a cost. Not dramatic failure, but quiet regret. Talented people rarely fail loudly. They fail slowly by postponing effort, waiting for motivation, and confusing thinking with doing. Planning matters and strategy matters. But planning without action is self-deception. A goal without daily behavior is fantasy. An idea without discipline decays. Marcus urged himself to act immediately on what reason already approved. Marcus would not tell you to learn more. He would tell you to begin. You already understand enough. What you lack is not knowledge, but consistency. Stop preparing to live. Live. Potential is fulfilled through daily discipline, clear priorities, and immediate action. Not someday. Today, not when motivation arrives. Now. This is not quote content. This is not motivation. These are ideas meant to be practiced, not admired. Each episode takes one reflection at a time and tests it against real, modern challenges, where the battle is no longer against legions, but against attention, ego, and fear. If this resonated, don't reflect on it. Test it. The Marcus lens begins with action.